टीचर ने सारे बच्चों को आंसर्स याद करवा दिए। नेक्स्ट डे प्रिंसिपल का विजिट था, तो प्रिंसिपल ने कहा जी हम सब लोगों को किसने बनाया है? सारे बच्चे खामोश। तो एक बच्चा आखिर पे बोला वो जिसको अल्लाह मियाँ ने बनाया था वो आज एब्सेंट है। तो वो पहले से ही ना आंसर याद किया। एक बच्चा ने कहा हमें अल्लाह मियाँ ने बनाया है, ठीक है, तो कहते जिसको अल्लाह मियाँ ने बनाया था वो आज एब्सेंट है। तो फ्लावर्स एंड
आपकी मर्जी है।
मेरी मर्जी है, चलें फ्लावर्स से शुरू करते हैं, देन वी गो बैक। अच्छा जी, let's take a start. Started already, so let's start. Your topic is about flowers. What kind of flowers do you like or do you know?
It is different types of the flowers. I like jasmine, rose, and rose are the different types. I like white and yellow and red.
हाँ, सारी लड़कियों के नाम ले रहे हैं। फ्लावर्स कहाँ से आ गया? यास्मीन, रोज, जस्मीन। Okay, that's good. So it's a good start. Just keep it up like this. Are there any flowers that have special meaning in your country?
Yes, different types of the flowers have specific meanings. Like the red rose is for love, and white flowers for peace and purity, and yellow flowers. I think some people say that it is for the heads, and unlike the.
Okay, some people don't like that. All right, that's good. Let's go on. Have you ever planted any flowers?
Yes, I have different types of flower planted in my backyard. Red rose and the different types of the like sunflowers and other.
Okay. Have you ever sent flowers to someone?
Yes, I have. I was sent flowers.
I sent flowers.
I sent flowers to my parents on their anniversary.
Good.
And some flowers sent to my friends on their specific occasion, like their birthday and other celebrations.
All right, this is good. So the good thing is you understand the question and you answer. You just need to focus your fluency and try to add on a little, and then your answers will be good. Okay,
Right.
Keep it up. That's a good start. All right, let's go on, please. Your topic is machinery. So let's take a start with that. All right. Okay, holidays, right? So it can be a good joke, huh? Okay, so where did you go for your last holiday?
It is of quantity proverb that holidays.
No, please, we don't need that. It's not a speech. Just need to say, where did you go for your last holiday? For my last holiday, I went to my in-laws or wherever.
I went to Naran Karan
Very good.
in last my holidays.
On my last holidays?
Last my holidays with
Okay.
my friends.
Okay.
It is remarkable and amazing, and it is remarkable and amazing trip for me and my friends.
All right. Now you need to add a little more. Where did you go on your last holiday? On my last holiday, I went to north of my country, the area known as Narankagan. I was with my friends and we really had a great time. Stress and try to give a beautiful picture. We really had a great time. That'll be better.
Yeah.
Let's go on. Do you like holidays? Do you like holidays? छुट्टियाँ अच्छी लगती हैं? Yeah.
Yes, I like holidays.
Yeah, instead of like, say, I love holidays because they give me freedom to enjoy my life, something like that. Okay, so do you like holidays?
Yes, I like holidays because it refresh my memory and it refresh my mind. Refreshes my mind. When I work hard, then I go to for holidays, and holidays provide a lot of fun, and it protect my life.
They protect my life.
my life, and I enjoy very well.
Very good. So holidays are plural. You will use they for them, right? Good. Which public holiday do you like the most?
I like mostly Eid events holidays because when Eid holidays come in our life, we meet our families and we meet our friends and distribute different type of sweets. It is a lot of
focus holiday. So this public holiday gives me an opportunity to meet my relatives, and usually we have 3 to 4 holidays. Therefore, Eid holidays are my most favorite. Okay, just like that. Link your answer to the question. What do you do on holidays?
On holidays, I
go present tense.
I go to trip.
I go on a trip.
I go on a trip, particularly when I free. I with my family and
when I get free,
I with my family and friends. I go to traveling. I like traveling, so I spend my holidays on traveling.
Okay, this is good. You got some grammatical mistakes also. Try to overcome, but overall you're trying to answer. This is positive. Focus the content of your answer and focus these grammatical mistakes. You will be fine, inshallah. Right? Thank you.